Well, a tragedy is unfolding. Most people will see tragedies only when it comes with a bang. But if you're sensitive, you can see it happening all around you. We'll be producing 40% less food on the planet, and our population will be 9.2 billion people. 1.5 to 1.7 billion people can die.
Climate change, food security, nutritional security, water quality, water renewability, biodiversity, land grab, political stability. Soil is a basic entity on which all terrestrial life depends. 95% of all the food which is consumed by human comes from soil. As much as 95% of all antibiotics taken by human and animal come from soil. So soil and life have evolved together. There is no soil without life, and there is no life without soil.
Good guy bacteria, good guy fungi, protozoa, nematodes, microarthropods, earthworms, incatrioids, all of those organisms are required to have a good, healthy soil so your plant gets the balance of everything that it needs every second of every day.
Land is screaming, but nobody's hearing. Just plowed and left open, killing all the microbial activity.
3% is kind of the borderline where you've got enough diversity in the kinds of foods that are present so that all of the necessary sets of microorganisms will be able to perform their jobs. In most of the Western world, we have so destroyed sets of species of different functional groups that we're on the edge of not being able to come back from that.
Over 62% of India's soil has organic content less than 0.5%. Entire southern Europe, the soil organic content is just around 1% or below. Over 50% of the topsoil in whole of United States is gone. This is called as desertification in the world.
You have to basically take samples across the land.
Okay.
You divide it roughly to understand the soil कैसा. If it's a square one, then you will have 4 corners, one in the center, that one. But those 4 corners also you will not take it to the edge. You take it a little bit in center. So the idea is that you get the wholesome sample of the land, so that you don't have a wrong reading. And once you get all the samples from each hole, you collect around half kg sample, half kg to 1 kg sample. You mix that everything together, and then out of it you get a little bit, 1 kg.
Okay.
So that becomes the average of that soil. Through that, whatever you get will be more like NPK values. That's nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium.
Okay.
Then there will be electric conductivity, and there will be pH. There will be organic matter or organic carbon that will be stated. So if you given organic matter, you can find out organic carbon, or you are directly given organic carbon in percentage. So pH, electric conductivity, organic carbon, and then there are micro elements, micro nutrients, basically what the soil has. So manganese, magnesium, sulfur, potassium, calcium. No, potassium is major. NPK में वो आ गया. there will be lead, copper, zinc. तो lead नहीं देंगे वो लोग generally. So you have to ask for lead if the land is closer to industrial areas. You have to. So lead is basically or these lead types are carcinic. So it's basically if the land is contaminated. Otherwise basic जो test report आएगा आपको उसमें वो जो list होगा it will have these basic elements that I talked about.
Okay.
When it comes in front of you, you are just able to gauge what the current status of the land is and where you have to work more. Only problem is most of the laboratories are giving you the soil reports with those figures and they'll say it's all right. Okay, enough, sufficient. Okay, they don't talk about the soil that they
Bifurcation,
okay?
the
Yeah,
limitation.
yeah. So that you have to figure out which we will teach you.
Okay.
So for example, soil का नाइट्रोजन वैल्यू 1 होना चाहिए इन जनरल. सो आपके सॉइल का 0.75 या 1 रहेगा. सो देर इज अ रेंज, उसके बीच में आगे देर से ओके देर इज गुड नाइट्रोजन, good potassium, good phosphorus. So you'll say, okay, the land is good to work, but it doesn't work that way. So what we have come to learn is there are two parameters that you look. One is this, ये जो basic parameters कोई भी laboratory दे देता है, और एक farmer बोल के जो organic farmer बोल के जो develop करना चाहते हो soil को, उसको intrinsic value बोलेंगे हम. तो water holding capacity उसमें आता है, organic matter आता है, ठीक है. जो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इसमें दिखाया है लैब वाले रिपोर्ट में, उसको बिलीव नहीं करना है आपने, आपको आपका ढूंढना है अलग से, ठीक है. एंड थर्ड वन इज माइक्रोबियल काउंट. द प्रॉब्लम इज ये तीनों फार्मर को कहीं पे भी करने को नहीं मिलता. देयर आर नो लैब्स डूइंग दिस. ओके, सो वी हैव फिगर्ड आउट एनसीएमआर एज वन ऑफ आवर सपोर्ट सिस्टम, एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस ईयर. But we are seeing how that can be worked out. Water holding capacity, you at your own capacity can calculate. There is a method, कुछ online है, कुछ हमारे पास है. You use one of the methods and how much the water land can hold basically. So you start at point A, it's holding. You add organic matter, work on the soil. So next 6 months down the line, 1 year, you again calculate. And is there a change?
Okay.
पहले ये इतना पकड़ता था, अभी कितना पानी पकड़ता है. सो एवरी पॉइंट, डेसिमल पॉइंट, द कार्बन इंक्रीजेस ऑफ द सॉइल. इट्स वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी इंक्रीजेस बाय ऑलमोस्ट 100 times. So that's the importance of organic matter and carbon. So organic matter is not carbon. Organic matter will lead to increase in carbon, basically. Okay. So normal report आपको मिल जाएगा लैब में डाल के. Have a good relation with lab so that they don't चिपको कि ये एरिया का है, ये निकाल के करो मत कुछ भी, ऐसा मत करो. So you'll have to build a relation to get actual numbers. Because these guys they don't want to work their equipments and like छाप के दे दो, कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं रहने वाला है ना. एक फार्मर वो एरिया का आ गया, मुझे मिल गया, ये उसी के नज़दीक रहने वाला. बट इट्स नॉट दैट वे बेसिकली. तो उसको थोड़ा आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज वन सच. नेक्स्ट टाइम विल ट्राई टू गिव यू कंपोस्टेबल एंड सॉइल टेस्ट. ओके. सो okay, overall it looks like this. Okay. This is a normal soil report. We'll just go point wise. So this is a soil test report. Survey number, field name, date 1819. Okay. कब receive हुआ, कब दिया, basic things. Then these are physical properties. So one is pH. Physiochemical properties. So this will lead to more of a chemical analysis. So pH is 7 के ऊपर है, 7.1, 7.3 value, slightly alkaline. Okay. Now permissible limit is 6.5 to 8.5. Okay. The problem is each crop has its own best growing pH. There are crops which grow good in 5 also. There are crops which grow in 9 also.
Okay.
And there are crops which grow in 7 also. Okay. But generally it's acceptable that in 7 everything will grow first class. Now it should be always between 6 to 7,
Okay.
not above 7.
Okay.
Okay. अभी ये जो मैं हाँ towards acidic होना चाहिए.
Right.
This especially for vegetables I am talking about. So anything that you want to do in farm per se cultivation, it should be acidic.
Acidic.
तो इसमें अभी गूगली मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Hmm.
The problem is there is no way to find exact pH
pH.
of your soil at the time of growing. This is where the controversy starts. Because the pH is established at the root level at that point when the glucose is exudated for the microbes to come and eat. तो ये soil report लेके this is just a guidance. This is not going to ensure me कि वो है कि नहीं.
Correct.
Okay. This is a guidance कि मेरा 7 के ऊपर है या no, and there are some other things that you will decide basis this that I will let you know, but you cannot vouch for this. Okay. So and to neutralize this there is only one solution, add organic matter. Okay. So if it's acidic, people say you add calcium and it will come to normal. Okay. One of the most easiest way. But anything that is alkaline above 7, 9 and all, there is no way to bring it back.
Okay.
The chemical intervention नहीं है उसमें कुछ. pH आपका 7 से कम होगा तो उसको बढ़ाने का
बढ़ा
तरीका
सकते हैं,
है,
कम नहीं कर सकते।
लेकिन ऊपर का रहेगा तो कम करने का कोई तरीका नहीं है. तो अभी इंडिया में ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है कि लोगों ने काफ़ी सारा केमिकल्स यूज़ किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव इरिगेशन किया है. रीज़न फॉर इरिगेशन इटसेल्फ इज बिकॉज ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज नॉट देयर, द सॉइल डजंट होल्ड वाटर, सो यू टू वाटर more you water, more leaching happens. जो ज़मीन में है न्यूट्रिशन वो बह के चला जाएगा, केमिकल्स भी बह के चले जाएंगे, इवेंचुअली जो नेचुरल मिनरल्स है वो भी बह के चले जाने हैं, वो रहेंगे नहीं मिट्टी में. एंड द pH goes on increasing, your soil becomes white.
अल्टीमेटली जो वाटर सोर्स है वो भी कंटामिनेशन होकर पीएच लेवल हाई और
हाँ वो
chemicals
तो
और ये
दैट्स अ डिजास्टर इन वेटिंग. वो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. इट्स जस्ट दैट वी आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट कि ऐसा हुआ है. दैट्स वेयर एंड आई फील दैट नो वन वांट्स टू ओपन दैट पैंडोरा's बॉक्स. चल रहा है सब ठीक ना, तो चल रहा है. ओके. सो pH बहुत ज़्यादा होगा तो डिफ़िकल्ट होगा कंट्रोल करना. pH कम होगा तो इट्स देयर पॉसिबिलिटी कि आप चूना यूज़ करो तो अल्कलिनिटी बढ़ता है. तो 4 का 5, 5 का 6, 7 कर सकते हो, लेकिन 9 का 7 करने को आपको 5 साल लग सकते हैं. ऑर्गेनिक मैटर डाल के माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी बना के फिर इवेंचुअली उसको वो pH कम होना शुरू होगा.
टाइम एंड एफर्ट.
इसको कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. ठीक है. तो जब लैंड सिलेक्ट करते हो तो थोड़ा सॉइल रिपोर्ट कर लोगे तो हेल्प होगा. सेकेंड इज EC. EC is electrical conductivity. Abhi again, this is 0.27 and the range is given 0.01 to 0.8. So the thing is, don't get stuck in these values. Okay, as long as you're
unless it is too drastically
हाँ.
difficult, मतलब 2 या 12 आ
उसके
गया.
रेंज से
ऐसा,
बाहर ही है तो
हाँ,
फिर
तो
इसके
वैसा.
नॉर्मल रेंज के बाहर
तो
चला गया तो
अगर
मुश्किल
मैं
है.
नॉर्मल आदमी को दिखाऊंगा बोलेगा ये क्या दिया है ये, मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर्स. लाइक इससे क्या होता है. So I'll tell you the importance of it. What happens is nutrients have a charge and something inside roots have a charge. अपने बॉडी में भी चार्ज है. Our body has charge. Electric conductivity, same for plants also. Okay. Now what happens is it's basically gaps and no gaps. Simple. Okay. So those gaps are filled by something or removed from something, and this happens only when plus minus happens. Okay. So your soil will always have that plus, your plants will always have that minus. That once that gets established, the nutrient goes from there to the plant. Okay, and when the plant gets it, plant immediately uses it for its growth. That's how it works. So EC is very critical part. So you'll come across many products in farming that say like EC manage karega, EC manage. So what they are doing is chemically altering the ECs, encouraging plants to create that more opposite charge, or encouraging soil to promote more of that opposite charge. But again, there's no shortcut to this. The only way to do this is add organic matter. क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक मैटर अंदर जाके वो सब होने वाला है जिससे वो मिनरल्स अवेलेबल फॉर्म में आएंगे, क्योंकि माइक्रोब्स खाएंगे जो भी, एंड व्हेन माइक्रोब्स रिलीज देयर स्वेट व्हेन दे डाई, they are basically forming that chemical which has that ready-made combination of this electric conductivity, more like in that form.
not magnet.
And OC is organic carbon. It's given in percentage. It's 0.59. When we started, it was 0.29. So it's 100% increase in what we have done.
Correct.
That gives us confidence that what we are doing it in the right way. So again, this permissible level is 0.41 to 0.6. The problem is anything below 1 is desert-like condition. So that permissible limit is why they are writing is because उसके ऊपर कहीं दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा.
Correct.
तो गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया कि उसको एवरेज करके ये करो. दिस लैब इज नॉट गवर्नमेंटल लैब, दिस इज प्राइवेट लैब, बट दे आर गिवन कि ये इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं लिखना रिपोर्ट में. दे हैव दो स्टैंडर्ड्स, दे हैव टू मेंटेन एंड फॉलो दो स्टैंडर्ड्स. सो इवन इफ टेस्ट देने वाले को भी पता है कि 1 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए ओसी, बिकॉज़ देयर आर नो लैंड्स, फार्म लैंड्स व्हिच हैज अबव 1. Okay, now your objective if you want to do successful farming is you have to reach 1.2 to 1.5. Otherwise you are doing a non-viable thing. Okay.
They are
And
sitting without books.
they're recording. They're
See,
smart fellows.
if we start writing, then
15th
we won't be
century.
able to listen.
Oh,
You cannot say that.
स्कूल में क्या है?
स्कूल में बाजू वाले का देखता था, अरे क्या क्या बोला. It was really not the right way to do it.
फिलिप्स का छोटा वाला रिकॉर्डर होता था, छोटे छोटे कैसेट हम लोग खरीदते थे एक्यूमुलेट करके.
Seriously.
सीरियसली हम लोग के पास 5 कैसेट होता था, एक हफ्ता चल जाता था, उसी से नोट्स बनाते थे हम लोग.
और फिर उसको इरेज करके रीयूज.
हाँ, रीयूज. वो टेबल के नीचे वहाँ पे लगा देते थे टीचर के सामने. क्लास मॉनिटर जैसे शुरू होता,
Crazy, interesting. So this is calcium carbonate level. Why this is given to understand the salinity of the soil. जो मैंने बोला कि pH, तो ये calcareous soil है.
कैलकेरियस.
So ये soil कहाँ की है बताओ? What do you see around you when we are on this land?
Rocks.
Yeah,
Mostly
so
rocks.
it's at the foothills.
Right.
So this soil is not aged. It's new. Okay. So वो rock टूट के, and so most of the rocks in around in Deccan Plateau or Sahyadri will have lot of this calcium content.
Okay.
Igneous rocks होता है ये, ancient rock है basically. Because of lava हो गया, तो earth के नीचे से पूरा वो बाहर आके यहाँ पे settle हो गया. तो इसको जिंदा मिट्टी बनने के लिए सालों लगते हैं. तो सालों मतलब I'm talking about
100
years.
years.
तो ब्रेक डाउन हो के पाउडर फॉर्म.
Right.
और उससे जो मिनरल्स भी मिलेंगे वो अलग अलग रहेंगे फ्रॉम एवरी रॉक. मतलब इग्नियस रॉक से अलग मिनरल्स इन द सॉइल फॉर्म होंगे.
फिर बसाल्ट रॉक अलग होगा.
हाँ, बस.
बसाल्ट इज लिटिल हार्डर फॉर्म ऑफ इग्नियस. तो यही आप नीचे साउथ में चले जाओगे तो बिहेवियर बदल जाएगा. ओके. सो देयर इज नीलगिरीज माउंटेन्स, देयर इज सह्याद्रीज माउंटेन्स, देयर इज Ganges plain. So everyone will behave differently. So that's why the importance is कि farming में आप कहाँ पे हो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा अंदाज लगाना पड़ता है. So the moment this is calcareous soil, there are two things to it: advantage and disadvantage. Disadvantage is it's a new soil, but the advantage is it's porous. It's not compacted. So black cotton soil is the oldest soil. इट्स काला रंग का. 10 फुट खोदो पत्थर ही नहीं मिलेगा, 20 फुट खोलो पत्थर ही नहीं मिलेगा. और आप फिर इतना एलुवियल सॉइल है, इतना फर्टाइल सॉइल है वो काले रंग का, उसमें कुछ भी उगेगा, सालों सालों उगता रहेगा. Well, it's no more true now, because those soils, because of over fertilizer use, over chemical use, and over irrigation, basically it has become compact.
Correct. It
तो
was
उसका porosity उसने lose कर दिया. How do you get back the porosity?
organic matter.
तो कैलकेरियस सॉइल हो, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर डालना है.
Right.
काला सॉइल हो, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर डालना है. कितना है उसमें फर्क पड़ सकता है. काला सॉइल जल्दी जिंदा होगा, ये थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. That's it. But organic matter is the bottom line of this. Okay. So if you see in Kolhapur, Sangli, you'll see all black soils, but they all are salinated. White soil है, लोग farmers are going crazy. They don't know.
But where will you get the organic matter? Of course, that kitchen is there.
Beautiful. So that's where the dilemma comes. We've been farming for 6 years, and we spent day one we knew. I won't say day one. Within first 6 months we got to know कि okay, we need to take a trial on 1 ton per gunta, 1 ton per 1,000 square feet of organic matter. The problem was the cost of 1 ton of organic matter, because we want to do 40 guntas.
Correct.
So it's like 40 tons.
40 tons.
So it took us 4 years. Not that this was planned, this just came across. My friend was working on this, and we said we need to collaborate. He was also searching for a land where he can set up this, and there was give and take. So we are working on that viability also. Can I approach PMC? So PMC gives the dump. The problem is contamination. So all arsenic, because पेंट बकेट चला गया, उसमें से लेड आएगा, सल्फर आएगा, बहुत डेंजरस लेवल तक रहेगा. तो उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करोगे?
सोर्स पे सेग्रीगेशन नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, अभी ये पुणे में बहुत अवेयरनेस लेवल बढ़ गया. गवर्नमेंट ने कंपलसरी कर दिया वेट वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन. तो एट द किचन, एट द सोर्स इट्स सेग्रीगेटेड. So first of all, I am getting kitchen waste, which is segregated at source, so no contamination. वो रेगुलर डंप यार्ड में नहीं गया, तो वहाँ पे जो इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट आएगा, सेमी स्मॉल माइक्रो इंडस्ट्रीज का, वो नहीं आएगा. नहीं तो कोई नेल पेंट वाला रहेगा कंपनी, वो अपना कुछ डाल देगा उसमें, एंड इट बिकम्स कंटेमिनेटेड. सो मेजर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट टू गेट प्योर ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, बिकॉज सिटी में है सोल्यूशन, बट वो प्योर नहीं है सोल्यूशन. सो यू टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. ओके, सो ये वाला those main numbers, and these were the numbers I was talking about. So nitrogen, it's in red level. Okay. Phosphorus, it's in over green. Potassium, it's in over green. And calcium, it's here. The why it is showing this is because we have used organic matter in huge number, quantity. Okay. The problem is nitrogen is volatile. वो जलने वाली चीज है, तो वो जल्दी डिप्लीट होती है. ये दोनों डिपॉजिट होते हैं
Because of sunlight.
Many things, sunlight, chemical exchanges that happen in the soil naturally. उसके सन तो है, but more than sun, it cannot be held by anything.
Okay.
So urea is nitrogen. तो वोलाटाइल है, मैंने डाल दिया तो फटाक से पेड़ ग्रीन हो जाता है, एंड फार्मर्स फील कि इट्स परफॉर्मिंग वेल. वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई यूरिया इज सोल्ड इन ह्यूज नंबर. The moment leaves को power मिलेगा तो it will capture more sun, so it will produce more. So that's one of the easy injection that you can give, because it's volatile. उसी से बम बनता है, nitrogen bomb. So you have to understand, as I said, it's body, everything is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. ये सब आग लगाने वाले चीजें हैं. So it is just very volatile. Okay. Then magnesium, sulfur, iron. Okay, these three are very important with calcium. Calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron. Okay, these are macro के बाद वाला elements है जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा मात्रा में चाहिए होता है, and these are micro. Manganese, zinc, copper, boron. Boron generally महाराष्ट्र एरिया में सब जगह कम रहता है, तो you have to keep on adding boron. Basically, all these elements can be given naturally. To form this mixture, we call it complete organic fertilizer, which was invented by or discovered by
Solomon.
Steve Solomon. So you can see his YouTube we use. It's decent, and whatever he has prepared, and we've taken the trial of it, and it's very successful. Brinjal wala. We were happy with it. But that was after the soil was इतना compost डालने के बाद. The problem with present system is compost डाला मतलब मैंने nutrition डाला, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Compost डालो, nutrition डालो. The next question comes: is it viable commercially? So we feel yes, we have figures, we are working on it. Now the cost of complete organic fertilizer comes decently low. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता है. So if you have a proper plan in place, you can have a nice outlay of economic and plan.
So is there any other avenues to collect the organic matters?
हाँ, so many times what people do is they tie up with sugar factories
Sugar factory.
to get the molasses.
Okay.
Then there are hops from vineyards in Nashik region.
And also from the poultry farms and
Poultry farms are there. Now the problem with all these sources are they are contaminated. Poultry farms will have all the vaccines,
Okay.
hormones
Right.
introduced in it. Dairy farms will have the same
Same thing.
problem. And
Sugar also?
molasses,
Sugar,
yeah.
huh?
Molasses is now the problem with these is these are single source. मोलासेस में वो शुगर का मिक्स है, वो वैसे ही रहने वाला. सॉइल को डाइवर्सिफाइड चाहिए,
Right.
सिर्फ वो
Right.
नहीं चाहिए.
Right. Right.
So too much of cow dung is also going to lead to problems in the soil. So
that's
you need
the
diversified mix. And once that mix is established, you continue.
And you
doing
cannot
it.
collect anything from the forest. I mean, the leaves, which is
So that's what we are doing. That's garden waste. What we are collecting
no
over
forest
here. Forest
areas.
how much is it allowed?
Exactly.
Every trunk that comes out will be checked. So those leaves, I don't know.
फॉरेस्ट से कलेक्ट करेंगे तो फॉरेस्ट का इकोसिस्टम वी विल हैम्पर.
Right.
तो वो फॉरेस्ट रहेगा नहीं आफ्टर सम इयर्स बिकॉज इट नीड्स दैट थिंग टू ग्रो दोस
So
sustain that.
we had one consultant coming over here and asking, like we showed him everything. He said we are struggling. We were like, okay, you'll have to get 10 trucks of soil.
From where?
Wherever it's good.
Wherever
So,
it is being sold.
so the first reaction of we both were like, no. वो सॉइल बनने को लाखों साल लगा, मैं उसको वहां से लाके मैं यहाँ पे डालेगा तो मैं वहां जाके फार्मिंग
लेगा।
करूंगा ना.
और कोई देगा क्यों?
देता है. Soil is sellable. So all
Okay,
the
you
lawns,
buy.
all the lawns are made on this soil, bought soil.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Every year, one lawn company. These are like cottage industries. तो farmer क्या करता है? Soil लाता है.
हाँ, but to get soil, you have to dig the
River
mountain
beds,
river beds.
the most fertile soil wherever you can find. These
Right.
guys have hand on. ये वो लोग लाएगा, वो जमीन पे डालेगा, उसके ऊपर वो कोरियन ग्रास ग्रो करेगा.
हाँ, right.
Now what they do is they cut it, उसका रोल फॉर्म करके
हाँ.
बेच देते हैं. The soil is gone. The soil is gone. It's not going to come back. It's the most environmental disastrous business that anyone can do. Lawn. So instead you can go for Indian grass, the crepe grass,
Right.
which is like a broader green, but people want that Korean.
तो सॉफ्ट है, कुशनी है.
That's very painful, but that's a big business. So you can buy everything. Problem is that. So any land you take up, the idea should be that I'm preparing this soil, making this soil.
And if you farm well, if you manage the farm well, you won't need those leaves.
Yes.
आप अपने ही प्लांटेशन जो करोगे उसका जो रिमेन्स है that is good enough
Good
for
enough.
the soil.
Yes, that's good enough. मतलब अभी
and actually it should be like that because जो उसने soil से लिया है वही हम
वापस
वापस
दे
दे
और
रहे हैं.
वही सरफेस पे आ रहा है, आप समझ रहे हो. तो उसको कन्वर्जन में जो प्रोसेस गया है ना, सन का जो एनर्जी लिया मैंने उसको लॉक कर दिया सॉइल के अंदर. ठीक है, उसको मैंने रिलीज करके लीव्स बनाया. अभी लीव्स ड्रॉप हो गए. अब तो यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि मैं वो लीव्स वापस जमीन में डाल रहा हूँ. मैं जितनी बार करूंगा ना उतना मेरा स्टेबल कार्बन होगा. जितना स्टेबल कार्बन होगा उतना बेटर मेरा प्रोडक्शन होगा. सिंपल.
सॉइल फर्टिलिटी उतना
सॉइल
कांस्टेंट रहेगा.
फर्टिलिटी उतना ज्यादा होगा. सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई गंगा का जो भी प्लेन्स है आपका कोलकाता में जो आता है most fertile, like Sundarban Pura. But to form that, it takes that distance.
हाँ
वो सारे फार्मर्स ने बनाया हुआ सॉइल बह के यहाँ पे आके सेटल होता है, तो मिनरल जो निकल के आया वहाँ से चिप होके वो छोटा छोटा बन के वो यहाँ पे एकदम रेडीमेड.
Indirectly
So Sundarban will have very high accuracy.